have a go at saying these words after me. Cap, cup, cup, cap. Right, now I want to move on to a short quiz. I'm going to say some words which have the a and the sound in them. All you need to do is listen, write down the words you hear, and I'll give you the answers at the end so you can check if you got them right. Word number 1, but. Number 2, bat. Number 3, sang. Number 4, sung. Number 5, cat. Number 6, cut. Okay, here are the answers now. Did you get those right? If not, have another go, listen again, and watch my mouth shape while I'm making those different vowel sounds. Have a go at copying that.